So, I have a surprise for y'all, courtesy of my sweet friend who even got me started doing this type of content. And the whole reason why I even ever thought to present this type of content to you, because I didn't even know what it was before my friend showed it to me. And now that he revealed it to me, I am obsessed with it. It's like whenever you are into something but you don't know the name for it, that's kind of what this is. But yeah, so he thought that y'all deserved to hear both my talking and my heart beating simultaneously. So he bought me a new set of microphones, and that is what I'm recording with today. So make sure, I don't know if he wants me to say his name. Um, so just in the comments, just say thank you, and he'll know who the thank yous are to. And I want to give him one more thank you, as if I haven't said it a million times already. But yeah, we super appreciate it, don't we, guys? This is awesome. I had to make a whole thing for this one of these microphones to be able to work out, because it had to stay like perfectly still. So yeah, if it were appropriate, I would show you, but I can't. But hey, you could always order a custom video if you want me to show you. We can do whatever we want in private. Anyways, so I have one last little surprise for you for this video, and I'll show you as soon as I'm done blowing up this. Or maybe it will reveal itself to you. Who knows? Ooh. Where'd the surprise go? Oh, there it is. Fred loves you.